the National Youth Council, the International Youth Day, held in Kisii High School. Yes. The year 2018.
Yes.
Was organized by the Office of the President and the Ministry of Public Service, Youth and Gender Affairs. It was not organized by Duke Mangechate and Anthony Kibageni.
You are becoming sorry,
no, wait.
Ngogendore level ya again to
let us
no yeah kumenere yole na ende nkogo
so let's have a conversation
again take ninche na ringe chairman ye committee.
Can we have a conversation?
I am the one who was the chairman of the committee.
No, can we have a conversation?
No. Yeah.
Can we have a conversation?
We even have a
full conversation. So yeah. there was a committee.
There was a
committee.
No,
wait, no, we have to have a conversation. We have to agree.
Office of the President.
We have to agree. No,
the office of the Deputy President.
What I want to go to Siaron getting a key, it was solely by the two of you and Mwakwana Mapem.
That's not true.
You have said there was a committee.
And I was the vice chairman of the committee, and the chairman was the PS that time.
Now we held it there. So that is the conversation that it is wrong for you to sing and enumerate the president. That's not
true. Committee.
So you are part of the organizing committee.
Umonto kurukwechate, umonto kurukunyambane, tuka conspire, tuka sukuma, tuka rende president, gusi.
You never mentioned them and that's the first time.
We did.
You did not mention them.
The first time. Total mention. In our mention. Number two.
Now let's move to another.
We were not. Tukakuwa governor Ungwai.
We are moving around Kibageni.
Nyambane. Tukamotera kibichu Nairobi okwanere president Echiabagora.
Anthony Kibageni.
You see.
Excuse me. No.
I'm very sober. I'm very sober, and I want to correct you. The information you've given is
I am moderating a discussion.
It's okay. Lakini Nyakundi the truth is again take was organized yes by the presidency and the Nyakundi.
I am moderating the discussion.
We don't want to mislead people.
Let us have a conversation.
Nyakundi said that you allow us to you to interview.
Let us have a conversation.
Nyakundi, you want us to interview you. Was it to interview to
okay. Yeah, please. So we got to the conversation.
But don't let people feeling we are liars. We are not liars.
What you are saying
is
can you have a conversation?
Yes.
Nyakundi lakini make sure nga conversation toko utuara ne conversation ebwata maskani and you respect us as influential youthful leaders from Kisii.
Again, there was a committee organizing this. Senior.
For your information, Nyakundi, that function was supposed to happen in Makueni County. Anton, I don't know whether you told you.
Yeah.
It was supposed to happen in Makueni County.
So
until when we
there was stakeholders involved.
That's okay. That's okay.
You don't take credit on a part.
No, we have. Okay. You don't want us to be part of the credit.
Take credit with other people.
No,
you
can't
mention that the first time.
You want to think you're around 50, 100, 1,000. Why are you giving us difficult times?
Because you have to tell the truth.
Okay.
Now, let's move to another discussion. The last time now you are running for senator.
Yes.
Now you're running for MP.
Yes.
Indecisiveness or strategy?
You can call it a strategy and also demand from my people. We want you to finish the journey you started. Represented both at the county and at the national level. Nkaroranga ekero ebiriango teberenga abande kero bagukwa ne lyugiria nyasaye. So nga decide inkeligeri na incho monyene ese miaka ya ne bono iga nkaroranga a position yelinda nyare bakonya abantu bami tomono zaidi ne kero cy'ubucumbe bwabo machoge burabo. Na inche nkanyoranga nimbu at the time. Nyasaye nyoko ngobugima nimbuate chinga kurubono ige miaka 30 usaru baina in active politics igo ekina kikia gerete nkaira na guteno guchumbe wa machoge burabo
abantu bari bahatebore bose netrane
abantu bande dimbori bose neta ninjo mwana no bose neta inje na ari kuri tari ba machoge bande inje buye ko no mondo inje na ari kuri bose neta
mbiro consult.
Of course, ubo kimo mwana uminto no na kwara ikaransa my studio ga nyakundi kwara ikaransa kwa admin no musiki kwerengereri. Aya wike za paso. Nyakundi kwa tete kuri yobo chumbe nkibaro gyukuri. Kwa tebiro boire nga kuri yobo chumbe bocha. Siasa na ese nyakundi abatoko tema korato.
At least ase kitogo ngwana.
Nyakundi boire kwa tebiro kuri yobo chumbe nkyo tamira. So ama na yora manyanga na kigiro gikire na kigiro.
So Kiba, this time around you are sure of the decision you made?
Yes. Ndaitengo tebiga. Nche, I have been very consistent. Igontagete go serve abantu babo Getutu Church South as their member of parliament. Nimbwate kerenga, nimbwate birengererio na kitotaite kubakonya, na kitotaite go transform Getutu Church South. Oligereri chipara chiri na America ngokwana kuru 2013. Epara ya nyakoe guchimarani. Epara kuru nyakoe guchiranda. Kuru rio toigo gochime gochiraganga gochimoino. Epara ya matieko, epara ya matoke ekosoa matoke chigosoka gochibonchari. Chipara chire nyatieko chiskuru ebintu nabereke ngokwana kurwekere nachagete koboria mbiraba transformed unanarengerereti chi factory chiri tware gotaya tutete go partner with the county government. Those are the things we want to achieve. Nche ekere nare gote nobo chumbe kurwekere nachagete ekerenga kiane kiabire kemo. I am very consistent na ende ndoche around yeye ngokeirande umo no ligereri history yabo Getutu kuru 1969 nalijimia chagete kubori chikura akaboria kuru 1969 tairi kura paka 1996 ekero Onyonka asirete naliachete konyora Richard Onyonka nera agachaka 1996 nera akaboria kuru 96 97 202 agacha konyora 207 na inche ndoche bona abantu abagetutu they tend kogotegerera baikase bago go trust elinde bakwa ekura bono yaikira ase bago trust ase ngincho nabere consistent kobakonya ase nkonyara na gokwana ekene kerimbwate a problem bwate boniga no ena asoeto ODM ena arangereti una Raila kare Mombasa kanga keresimi agante ininchu otene na etiquette ya ODM you'll be able to win that seat more easily na incherende I heeded his call egaike ngaki akandangeria agaira na Nairobi agatebi governor itongwae achandusi ase narenge angire paka obisi yae. And I did exactly that. Lakini balingo sindana nabo. Barenge kerongwa are ko bakonya chinga kichia magega mbare kuinyora barumne chi project. Mbono bakondo kabune project yungwae. Nje tindi project yungwae. Nje na aligeti una Raila. Naenda agakora iga. After na defectory within a week agacha gusina ende gompokea. Which was a demonstration nje tindi project ya muntu. Naende elina ale ko bange ko babwa chikura. Na bali bande na abuire so many times. Na kintarenge project that time. Asenge nchobaroche bonongo chikoba bua chikurechi na kibago chakira kondokere project. Yes.
Number one, Raila Okorigeti.
Raila Ondigeti on Saturday night. Buna na aligete. No.
Raila Odinga knew kibaga ndio defect la kamurike and ODM.
Raila chageta kondigi November last year. Ekero na alika page yane that I have resigned from UDA. If musani okoro kumusoku akagenda akalika. Ngakero no muntu okoro ku Denison Sarigo. Kuru Mombasa wale na Raila ngakwana na Raila esimi ya Denison Sarigo.
Okay, number two, a rally ya Gusii was purposely organized for Gusii.
No, the rally ya Azimio that time konyora ya bangiru so many times, yeah. Raila agateba na gupokera obisi yane before gende Orange House ngochande Gusii ngochande gokobekere go pioro and he actually came and did that. Tali nankunga ine linde. That is something that is public.
You are not the only one also.
Yes, but you realize and everything. Yes, ninja everything nganye nkabeke ruo moerio na ende nkauli baganga.
Nenya rekana na everything abana urabaganya tabapoke.
Aw, tinka gereti asenge chokonya otaraba umira. Nje na ngumerete agake bicha na inche buweka. Barabuo abu baire tu as a group. Nje I was brought alone as obviously Raila.
No, in Kisii
we were received as a group. Lakini esababu nero ateberete nganye mbeke ruwe kwa piwo moerio na ende nkauli baganga kwana. Yes.
Ondeta kwane?
Na ende nkabachiad.
Barabi.
Bari kero montare go teba nchinkuru kumuntu gete kurwase gete nchina akwanete paka ngateba manganane na ende ngatera bagatuoma. wono nche n'omuntu bwazimio ekijana
so aya n'omuntu ori senior se hierarchy y'abantu
tari senior nche ne candidate mbwate the necessary following epati yetagete nero enyare gotwara umaarufu.
Did you notice this one 2017 akaro wa defecting a party?
Yes, that is why I defected ko baoro kinimbwate chinguru naende na baoro geti oliba ete ticket nkamubu abo besanga naende ngaonchora vote ya Kisii.
Again, the one whichever party you are.
I would have won even in UDA.
So why?
Even independent.
So why?
I spoke to Raila. We spoke and agreed, and the governor and Simba Arati.
If you really wanted to prove a point, you can run independent.
I already proved a point in 2017 that I can beat the ODM candidate. That is why they had to gang up and support a Ford Kenya candidate.
You were still on the ballot in 2017.
Yes, I was in the ballot. I didn't win.
Yeah.
That is why they had to gang up, but you will support a Ford Kenya candidate.
No, you have told me
Nabongo Chibwa. Yes.
2017 over effect to Jubilee. You
yes.
never won.
I never won. I'm saying now I've built the necessary social capital. I can win the election. Whatever.
If we have this discussion in August, will you say
yes. Boli koraiga na bomogo korana ino opinion poll ya ino. Let me tell you, the National Democratic Institute has done so many opinion polls in Kisii. Each opinion poll I have been leading. When I was in UDA, I was leading. Unfortunately, in UDA, I never used to have a big gap. Ekerona acha ODM at 48%. Oyo kumbuatia, no mosanio, he's at 19%. No yonde, okobuatia, is at 13%.
You know all my friends?
I know them. Oyo olitoko sindana nera se ODM is at 5%.
Do you know some of the friends you are mentioning are my enemies?
Me, I've not mentioned the name. Me, I'm your friend, so I know your friends.
So you can be my enemy.
I know muntu to go ikaransa nae, tuanywe chae, na gutarira so kuagacha, tuabange gas.
Dio. What if things don't work? Say enchira yao. Do you believe in the president kwa kumeka?
Nyakundi.
Ose yani eso wenge nkoregireti yole.
Nyakundi. Ndadangote binga nche am one man. We work in a spirit that kirengaki ebintu bigo korekana kulingana na mipango ya Nyasaye. Na ande nje kero na aswete siasa kimanyete ngankingu chikokorera abantu bamintu. Na ande na abeirega for some time now emiaka 5 nemo. Tinda gotamoni borongo kina. Na ande I'm open to making mistakes because I'm young. And I know it's inche na nyasaone na abantu bane igo gento kende gyonsi nkeyo nche so bugima bwane buno buwa baguse ko bwa kende gyonsi no manyete na boko bwati na bogote history ya nchi no mumuromo lemu na ande nchi na bongo tene na bosibwa kende gyonsi no chiuche ne liruro chembura ne tuo mugaso no che kiango nche no onde bune chate na nitazidi kusimama egento kerikera kimanyete nkoro ya nenkeringa bakantene nere haki na ande ntenere kintu kerikere nkoro ya neime manyete ngaki ubona boboene nikena kintagete na ikena kintageta abantu bamintu banyore.
So when NRA kere posted deputy president ya alika last time kero wa defected atotenga you are the candidate ya UDA bumachoga bora.
Yeah bwana.
Igondo bwate keranga kyo sa UDA ko ligebo jumba ebe. Ticket yoro kwa bekire mugo.
Nyakundi goikere kero koro deputy president ekorika. Nyakundi tindi mugusu. Tindi moke.
This one ya never.
Na kintete I want to explain to you. Tindi mugusu.
Anybody thinking of jumba bumachoga bora.
This a democracy. Goikera bona gatima itugo sonde bwensi obekira masakara. Ime ya UDA. Ne party ne bugate processes chia ekubugati umuntu ko be candidate. For instance, a party nkuruere room for negotiations. Isigo ikeranga abantu muko igwanana. Unayarenga kia abantu muko ende ni primaries. Na inche ni indemete whatever outcome igojigojicha. Onde bwensi udete kubeka masakara ime ya UDA, beka masakara. It's between now na 2060. Kwa igule Nyakundi. Na ande ngotebi ngentonta itekera kiotek to the bank. Siasa is about interests. Agreements tu abwate na William Ruto. Egekora tindigo chanje tingichetie party na rondigeti. Tingichetie party ya ayo mwana minto ngene ko bagucha igonga timbu ati binto bia no timbu ati plan chiane. Ena achite party ya William Ruto geko era ndigeti ro monyene na inje ngatebanga tiganso ega iganyo ore this nini enchera yokonyore njera ngucha okonya abantu baminto. Ebintu tu igwana nite na teta akorera ba machoge na ande na abairesi. Onye bintu ebita akubikora Nyakundi siasa is about interests. Warori onye ta kubikora we have other means, we have other ways. Una kwa na mangana igoro independent or whatever into we have very many ways now tura korek tura etire konyoru borai. igo its interest igentongo safeguard iga usenko guard ne interest yomu machoge Ruto ogo season ikera bono iga manyenga bono iga tabu ati interest yo yarire nyakundi nchomo nyene you will not see me there.
So Ruto reda because ndio kimangechate.
No ndio kimangore chate inchichukura na ando mwana uminto nkorigia.
Why is Ruto featuring in your?
No, but Ruto is nere party leader yani. Nere party leader and as by now as we are speaking. Na nere presidential candidate. Kwaroli is a party yani. There's no way you can run away from that. Lakini njege ntongo sabo machoge no mugusie zabe tandonsi. Intagete mumbu atesi buna Duke Mainga echate.
Back to my question because you have not answered this already. No, what the ticket ya UDA?
The ticket ya UDA mwana umendo ni nyebwa. Andi ngo enyora.
No, yebwa to singoje tiyo.
The ticket ya UDA ni nyebwate.
Okay, UDA, there are certificates. There's no party. However, he is the sole candidate.
Unde tayo wekera bono iga. Nyakundi iche bwiye kando bono unde tayo.
He's the sole candidate.
Ina kinta twari ticket niche bwiye kando.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Kibagende William Raila Odinga agakorigi. Agakwenda agakorisibu Kisii. And you confirmed and all sure on your enemy. So you're confirming on what the ticket ya ODM.
Nchetili go confirm timbu ati ticket ya ODM. Etobwate nomination it will come up in a few weeks. And nimbwate chi challenge isatu abutogo chigo sindana nabo. My closest challenger within the ODM fraternity, I beat him in 2013, I beat him in 2017 nomination, akaiwe ticket, and again I beat him in 2017 elections. Naende, I can tell you, you can tell when someone is campaigning, your opponents. Na kodre campaign, elimaete, I'll be able to beat him. Nindoche.
So you have the ticket in short?
I don't have the ticket. We are going for nominations. Tinta itigo kwa na igon sari party yaito. You know,
tigango tell me kibagani aki, arrange ndereba. Jenda rengo kubogoli. So gania.
Ya tinda teba igo. Ega na vera ndabe ntereba lakini ebe public service vehicle. A public service vehicle to go decide.
Na rundi gari ekorugusi na iranire. Na nyige mumubasa na chide ne.
Yes.
Se gari ninya maete. Gari na wenge.
Onye kere transline erotari nchengo deciding on kobogoli. Na be kobogoli onde bwensi public service vehicle. Eyane na eronda decide. You know ODM is a national party. It's the biggest political party in Kenya. Korau no monto tokonyire nse yetu atware the freedoms that tobuate. Okurukuraila Amolo Odinga. Bono nereta akondangiria ntebi nango kwande direct ticket ochigo tenenera yaya okunogo sarie party etoko genda nominations aba Kenya bonsi aba Kisii bonsi mbarochi ningore mutwe nabagetutu baito bono kego koru masaragata na bera sarie party nominations togo chigokora kego koru boronge we should be able to serve the people of Kitutu Church South mbaro bagotema guturubania lakini naende ni maete nchengiche studio ga tukwanira manganayo mbaro bagotema guturubania what has been planned teba boronge naenda abantu nabarobumbaroje nindoche muna you know siasa na nkongu my brother Lawrence siasa ere nkongu my friend endu wende agotebi na siasa na kikwata
Lawrence gakibona siasa nezezi
bona kiki bona kigangotebi
kiki bangi
bono mbali bali bayikire konyora chi ticket directors e ODM yani buna echate yanyorire without a nomination bone baikaranse te bagoteba irinde candidate yane na mbali bagwate chi candidate cyabo irinde candidate yane che eire chikura what I will do no kurwani kibagende at nomination level ntumye chinguru cyane mentero urionde aire nomination irinde kibagende yarwo gego ka general election ekoreki omuntu onanyare koira. That is what they are planning. But I want to tell you, nyasaye nere nabwate chingenjo chiaye. Nche nyasaye nkumubekande mutwe on everything I do. Yeah, on everything I do, nyasaye nere nabwate chinchira chiaye angorokirie. Na barobuna bakubanga na inje ningenderete kubanga. Ne uyu nyasaye odisaidiri. That is the truth. Anyway, nche nonkari chikura chia August as the ODM candidate naende nindoche na akorire gasi abagetutumba ite konga that opportunity.
Considering na Duke this one in small. So Duke otabirenga rutonero murgi.
Kinje kineke.
Mambi gaturanyara abantu deadline ngere 2060. By next week tonyora abantu 6 babekira maskara UDA. bago digebo nomination. Obugwe. You will still move somewhere else.
Inabate vinga karibu sana. Undebwensi utaete kosoa epati ya UDA karibu sana. Lakini intaete nkumanyinga siasa before mo form a coalition use agreement. Even tombiro 1 or 2 3 you must agree upon.
What did you agree with the president?
The first thing that I agreed with the deputy president eto igwana netenga acha angerese ekero chikura chiko iruchubu president kurbo machoke nkiabwate in store for mu machoke tuigwana ni tukaigwana ne bintu tuigwana ite kugenda before actually yororenga na atene niregaria injoma ite mwana umuntu no maite history ya nese na rure kurukuru ebintu ne binge that na bete ngo sacrifice warori so we to agree nere una interest yo kankuga tindi na mangana ye kia manga kia ngo mwana umuntu nda tontegerera inje nkoyo ni bunechate nje chikura nkori gibunechate wenyu weto mwana umuntu ebintu tuigwana nete no bogima bono yakundi igoko
toko na chama
obugimo bwo chama nkwaro che bintu byabege tuga ogane iriyo manyenga ntubwate political act eko tebange kiro kwa bwiru chikura bono turi kwenda nani ko hope ko so guchiko so party ndeo
no the opportunity parties are already 10 days kwa independent
exactly so naboko na independent
no dio
yes ngikiagara ndage independent ngikiagara ndage independent onye na anyori bintu ne byo mwana umintanto ni agotebire boni ga siasa ne umwana uminto siasa binte bibangire okonyora abantu babekira abantu kuruga ngumumuro no mokongu tigatora abona to ku manage onye kubwata abantu ba hukuma itinga no bwate following yao ngikiagara ndage independent
kibagende
yes
etiquette ya ODM la commissioner
let me tell you, this time round, ODM has given us confidence again and again. But you can go doubt that again tonkebe. There is no way omonto or a 4% Arab omonto or a 48%. Not possible. Now, number 2, omonto ikaransete ogusuga nane gubernatorial candidate oganyete eche komo konya ne senatorial candidate otali koligi kura on the ground nchengweta nane ground through opinion polls ya orokiri no I'm not trading Ongwae
has rumors he paid your nomination fee.
Ongwae can never pay my nomination fee. I have money to run a campaign 3 times. Why would Ongwae pay for me? Helped me how? A campaign is 20 million shillings. Will Ongwae give me 20 million shillings? I did that in 2017. I go support your nyonka. No mwando. Nki eliu mutate wete na ba ete chibese. 2013 I go support your nyonka. Indi eliu mutate wete na ba ete chibese. Bono ninje na ende nche Ongwae ntu aitana sana. Actually nche nsige to Ongwae because of this. Ongwae after na muruaniti 2017 ka make sure mbabu ati any MP naba MCA bakabaira ninse no enera gautia. After that tugatwara chiba election abonchari abobasi by election Ongwae agatubwatwa renge no bure tugache by election ya Kiamokama Ongwae he thoroughly beat us in Kiamokama tugache abonchari he beat us but even throughout that season Ongwae after 2018 na chiete nkamurigi naende necha tayangire to erito ariko banga na ekwirende International Youth Day nkamusaba kwabera nera agansabu kwabera akaregret what happened in the nominations 2017 naende nkamusaba kwabera tukaberana nje musigete paka bono when Raila Amolo Odinga told Ongwae to take me to his office kero monto bono gago temna kibagende is Ongwae's project in 2017 when I was about to beat Onyonka no Ongwae ochiete to his rescue. In 2013,
there are projects every single political season.
He went to
so
support.
So you cannot say that
him.
Somebody was not a project, then you are not now.
If he decides to support me, well and good.
You can be a project.
I don't mind, but I can tell you
now,
right now,
Ongwae
na muumerete no chiri angirete obisi ya Raila nkamuumererie tugakwana tugakora. After that, I met Ongwae when Raila was coming to Kisii. I haven't met him since. You are also saying I'm his project. I'm wondering.
I am not saying it's you brought out the project issue.
No, you are the one who was just saying right now. Now, whatever.
Finally, where do you get this opinion polls?
Number one, UDA Oyasoa, they used to do a lot of opinion polls. That is what guides their movement. When they look for someone, mbamaete na abwate chingurugete. So UDA does a lot of opinion polls. Number 2, musani okoro Cyprian Nyamwamu na basani bae. But a organization nere National Democratic Institute ya US where they are I don't want to call them officials, but they are consultants. They do a lot of opinion polls. ODM as a party is doing opinion polls. Again, media houses are doing opinion polls every other day. Yeah? So we are able to get that. Lakini beyond that, naye utagotema, mbuna one of my opponents is one of the, he is almost like a presenter here.
You make very reckless a statement.
No, that is not reckless.
He's a presenter here. The head of radio here is continuing.
If we have, there's someone who is a permanent commentator here for the past 4 years. The callers may mention him, but I'm saying you can also do an opinion poll.
You don't know organization YGSF.
No, I'm saying, but he's in here permanent. He's in here permanent commentator.
You have no copy of the terms of agreement. Panelist.
Okay, but they've been here for 4 years.
That's not true.
Yeah, they've been here for 4 years permanently.
You need to withdraw.
I will not, because I know they've been here for 4 years.
Permanent.
Okay, he's been a resident commentator for 4 years.
So he's not a permanent.
Yeah. Okay, probably he has withdrawn now.
Yes.
So what I'm saying is this. You can also try and do your opinion poll. That should be able to guide how we go. Anyhow, nchengo tenande kero kiabo getutu chache South. Na atenenire in 2013, 2007, 2013, 2017. Na bete lucky. In 2017, I was just about to win it through an ODM ticket, nkaurwa. Ngasoa Jubilee, I was again just about to win it. Wakagang up, wakaenda go support a Ford Kenya candidate. Which is okay. The county government and ODM.
Ford Kenya was on the ballot.
And ODM
was on the ballot.
No, I am insincere. When whatever you say, you are very insincere because
I'm just asking you. That's why I want to clarify.
Yes.
Ford Kenya yalinge ballot. ODM yalinge ballot.
Yes.
Jubilee yalinge ballot.
Yes.
There was WEP on the ballot.
Yes.
There were other political parties on the ballot.
Yes.
So why do you saying and I are nothing against you?
Ongwae was supposed to support his ODM candidate. He put all his resources to
Ford
county.
Kenya was in NASA.
He decided to support the Ford Kenya candidate. That is what he did. Why? Because ekeroko huku na kupita katikati was because mimi mtu wa Jubilee nilikuwa nipite katikati. From their polls they realized if they support the Ford Kenya candidate then they would win. That is the truth. Yeah? Now, the opportunity we are about to get to serve the people, abantu babo getutu chache South, and of course Kisii County in general, we are looking at partnering na bali bago chikobachi governor, banyare ko koraki, tonyare ko konya abantu baito. Inche pati yane ya ODM, patron ya itoboni igagusi, igakoruku James Omarigongwae. Chairman yane igakorukwa Okerosi. Governor candidate, ore sole candidate, igakoruku Simba Arati. Akubwati une senator naerore within our party okorokwa Richard Onyonka. Nturabeka women rep, but I believe in another few days ntonyore women rep. And then we work together as a team. Again, tuntaetego sababa antobaito. We need to unify our teams. Ntotuaru mrengo okorokwa oyon team Lawrence neyen team Getena. Torengereri na kitokorenta inclusivity into this party. Elinde ODM enyare kubu ebiroge bingi. Byobo MCA, byobo chumbe, toirepake bie county. Chisegi nchiro onkeigo within ODM, togo tema go solve internally. Lakini maete no eni numochi maete na kie kigwata everona there are rumors.
No, I will
sponsored.
I will engage the party structure, especially the secretary of ODM.
Yes.
We are just an aspirant in ODM.
Yes.
So
no.
Authoritatively, you cannot speak for the party.
I'm not speaking for the party. I'm giving my opinion. Yes.
Thank you very much.
I'm giving my opinion that we need to. By the way, I'm sorry to say. And while you try to be tough as a presenter, na erenda to babuna igo kwegerera igo konyora okoba na reckless kidogo singenjo. I've not said anywhere that I'm speaking on behalf of the party.
No, I'm just
enate ebirenga a party we need to come together. We need to come together as a party. No, na ende to go dismiss igo kwa ngala enate ba igana ki as a party. Yeah, but there's no way. Umaite kwa very mislead abante a talk show because oko koraiga oko teba we have lied to go clarify what to dismiss you move on to the next one again ateba na
you see this is what I'm telling you one or two words we have to have a conversation
but now you are misleading
no listen to him also
Umaite I was saying something
you have said
misled.
We've got your point in a key you are saying there are wrangles at the party
nene really na complain na king mislead you abantu clarify kwa mu dismiss
Anthony Kibagende you see you are not doing politics here you are doing politics we are not going to do politics. I'm telling what you are saying is there are issues within the party which you are going to sort out.
But it is not me.
Whatever the key, don't worry, Milengo say chama. What else have I not heard you?
Okay.
What else?
Do you know there's a comment you've put? Una talk whatever. It is not my prerogative.
Mbiyamono. Inche again tonda sabe abantu bamingi ba machobe burabu na Kisii county se yabeta na abasabire buno umwana inechate. Mumanyete buna nakiri gocha twakorire emirimo ye county government ya Kisii ya bwate challenge chinyinge mono lakini twaremire twatenenere to the last minute biriye bike twanyarire kunyara gukora ntwekirani biri byasinyete ankyo kande into ndabasabe kamuranche mumbwate sisegiye yiga ntete kubariere iranga tindi guchikoba mumura gusumusa umugambi umukuku baretero gusuko nima etenga siasa teri kanisa siasa teri gosorie sabantu baguswa kunye guchiesa njino mumuruki ni guna nyasaya akonyiri from nowhere abono na abere chate yagusi igento ndatebenkelinga nima etenya saya kubunde bwenzi nande ninde ready for any eventuality ime ya siasa igona abasabire kamuranche mumbu atesi nkobagamberande buya no murembe bakuri ubugete ngango jinde koreto obokomu korete rondo obokomu ime ya bumachoge I will unite everyone kurumagenche bakabumba bakamagena bakabiyondi bumachoge na Kisii county na Kisii nation yingima buya mono ni ngoyo gotie mecha te